Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. The chapter that we have started is unit number 10, the solar system. Yesterday, we read about space, that what is it? But today, we will read about nebula. From your book, page number 74. Here is a picture from your book, page number 74. At the bottom, the topic is nebula. What is a nebula? It is a cloud of gas and dust that exists in space. It also contains a lot of hydrogen gas in them. Some nebula are the remain of stars that have exploded and died. They don't give out light. However, they can sometimes be seen because of the light from the nearby stars. As you can see here, the picture of the nebula. Here I have attached a video of nebula in which you will learn different type of nebulas which are in our solar system and which orbit our solar system. Just check it out.
What is a nebula? This is a nebula. It may look like a colorful work of art, but it's really a giant cloud of dust and gas in space. Nebulae are far away from Earth. We know what they look like because scientists use powerful telescopes to capture images of them. A nebula can take many different forms and shapes. But where did these stunning dust clouds come from? Some nebulae come from the gas and dust thrown out when a dying star explodes. When a massive star explodes, it's called a supernova. This is an example of what that looks like. Other nebulae are regions where new stars are beginning to form, called star nurseries. How does a nebula make stars? Well, nebulae are made of very spread out dust particles and gases, mostly hydrogen and helium. Gravity begins to pull clumps of dust and gas together inside the nebula. Then, as those clumps grow larger, their gravity gets stronger and stronger. Eventually, a clump of dust and gas gets so big that it collapses from its own gravity. This collapse causes the material at the center of the cloud to heat up, causing the beginning of a star. The closest known nebula to Earth is approximately 700 light-years away. It is called the Helix Nebula. The Helix Nebula is the remnant of a dying star, like what will happen to our own sun in a few billion years. Using powerful space telescopes like NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope and Hubble Space Telescope, we have captured images of the Helix Nebula and many others. Scientists will learn more about nebulae with NASA's James Webb Space Telescope. It will be able to look through the dust to see stars forming planetary systems. Learning more about these faraway nebulae help us better understand the life cycle of stars, including our sun, the most important star to our life here on Earth. Learn more about our universe at NASA Space Place.
I hope you all have enjoyed the video and learned different types of nebulas that exist in our solar system. Now this is the question that we have to do today. Question number 3, B part. Write a short note on nebula, and the answer is: a nebula is a cloud of gas and dust that exists in space. Most of them have a lot of hydrogen gas in them. Some nebula are the remain of stars that have exploded and died. Others are the stars in the process of being formed. It is hard to see nebula from Earth because they do not give out light. However, they can sometimes be seen because of the light of the nearby stars. Here are 2 diagrams of nebula. You can draw both of them or any of them. It's up to you. Do your work vigilantly and learn the questions on daily basis. Soon I am going to give you a test of the question answers, so get ready for them and learn your work on daily basis. If you have not, then start learning it right now and learn your previous questions as well. Thank you.